on here is this magical software that is going to seek out and find every photo, every video, every piece of media on your computer, no matter what it is, and download it to this automatically without you doing anything other than hitting one button.
I got my laptop and my hard drive, and it's a mess. I'm talking photos everywhere, unlabeled, duplicates, it's impossible. So I just got this product in the mail. It's called the PhotoStick, and it's supposed to plug into your computer and find all the pictures and videos and upload them onto this. It's supposed to have this software that automatically downloads everything onto this USB, and it stays on there forever, so it won't die like one of those hard drives. And I mean, I'm not really sure. We're gonna see if it works out. I'm ready to try it.
So unlike any USB drive, the PhotoStick sorts and backs up all your photos with a click of a button.
You press go, it searches your computer for all the files that you would want to back up and then saves them over. If you've already done it, it even checks to make sure you don't get duplicates.
I don't even have to open folders or tabs. PhotoStick does it all. It starts working as soon as I plug it in. It stores up to 60,000 photos and videos, so all the memories of the kids or family are forever saved in this little portable device.
And it also frees up your space that your computer gets clogged with.
And just like a normal USB drive, you can easily plug in the PhotoStick in your laptop or computer whenever you want to look back and reminisce, or if you like scrapbooking, like me.
It saves my life to know that I don't have to replace some of those pictures of my nephew and niece.
The PhotoStick, I love it. I think it's awesome. I think you will too. I have two different sizes that I've used here. It comes in a bunch of different ones. This is the 128 gig. The 64 gig is the one I have plugged into the computer right now. You know what? I would get the bigger size because you're just going to keep archiving your memories to the PhotoStick over and over again. You want as much space as you can get. So get the 128 gig. That would be my recommendation. And you know what? It's a perfect item.
It contains the amazing backup software that works on both Mac and Windows computers. All it takes is just one click to use. You'll be amazed at how affordable the PhotoStick is. Protect your precious memories with the PhotoStick
that works on both Mac and Windows computers. All it takes is just one click to use. You'll be amazed at how affordable the PhotoStick is. Protect your precious memories with the PhotoStick.
If you want to store all your photos in a safe and reliable place, I highly recommend the PhotoStick.
There's nothing in the world that's more valuable than having those memories at your fingertips in a safe place that you can always find them. This is worth its weight in gold to finally get your photos accessible to you. You've got to try it. Corey, this was
Jenny.
So much fun.
Thank you for having me.
I can't wait to get mine organized.